Something that I really love is peanuts. Of course, I would never eat a green peanut, but there is a green one that I would use over and over again. This is expanded polystyrene plastic. You know it better as the packing peanut. And here's what makes it so green. It's got a minimum of 25% recycled material in it, and it's 99.6% air. It takes almost 50% less energy to make these peanuts than it does for a comparable amount of paper packaging. Uses only a third of the wastewater in the manufacturing process, creates only half the airborne emissions as paper, and it contains no chlorofluorocarbons. That's a big mouthful that means they're not bad for the environment. Packing peanuts are also recyclable, and it shouldn't be hard for you to do that because there's over 1,500 collection sites in the U.S. for these foam peanuts. So next time you put together a care package, show how much you really care, and don't forget the peanuts.